In our experiment, we are testing the relationship between your age and your morals regarding money. We will be experimenting on 18 randomly selected candidates divided into 3 age brackets. The idea is simple. We drop $20 on the floor, making sure the candidates will know who dropped it, and then observe whether or not physical age and maturity will help the subjects make the right decision. In this video, we see a man from the oldest age bracket point out the dropped money to Nico almost before it hits the floor. In this video, we can see the teen pick up the money and then walk away with it immediately, going against the norm or the understood rule for accepted and expected behavior. However, when he's confronted, he immediately hands back the money. This video shows the middle-aged man conforming to the normative social influence, or the influence resulting from a person's desire to gain approval or avoid disapproval, which he can do by giving the money back to Nico. This video shows a young adult begin to ask Nico if he dropped his money, but stops when she sees the 2 girls pick up the money. It is not until we turned around that she told us that the girls had taken our money. When we caught up with the girls, they handed over the money reluctantly and with aggressive words, which could be attributed to the frustration-aggression principle, which is the principle that frustration creates anger, which can generate aggression. She was frustrated that she didn't get away with the money, thus leading her to be aggressive towards us. For our sources, we used similar experiments that had been carried out in different places. One of these experiments was carried out at a college campus and another in Australia. Their results were aligned with ours, showing that the people were more likely to help than to hurt, with the college experiment getting 10 out of 10 people returning, and the Australia experiment getting 8 out of 10 returned wallets. Our spin on these experiments was examining the relationship between these thefts and the thieves' ages. The teenagers were the most common offenders, therefore we can accept our hypothesis. That being said, we were surprised at the number of people who didn't pick up the money. Another surprise that everyone who noticed it did something about it, either taking the money or giving it back. There was no gray zone, even though some took longer to make decisions than others. We kept the results from the people who didn't notice because we thought that taking only 6 subjects from each bracket would allow for the results to be unbiased.